Hi, in this tutorial we will navigate through the various uh, functions within the abstract submission software. So click on modules and then click on abstract submissions, and there you have basic setup where you click on submission settings to configure your settings, and then click on submission questions to create all the questions. But if you have submission types and topics, you should first go to types and topics to create all your types and topics first, and then come back to submission questions. If you are not going to use them, you can simply create your questions and then proceed to the author registration form, where you can create the questions you want to ask from the author while they are creating their accounts, like their personal information. Anything which is personal should be created in this form. Anything related to the submission should be created in the submission questions. Review questions is used to create all the questions that the reviewers would use to review the submissions. The review registration form is used to let the reviewers register through the website. And then under the advanced setup, you have types, where you can create your types and set the deadline for each of your type, and then create topics and tracks. There is a co-author section in the submission form where you can so in this menu you can create the questions that the submitter would see when they are adding the co-authors in the submission. And then you can create submission tags. You can create enable options to detect plagiarism. You can enable pre-flight check. You can import submissions if you have submissions from that you want to import from another system. You can configure your PDF CSV settings. You can manage your submissions from this menu. You can manage your authors from here, manage reviewers from here. You can, after you have accepted your submissions, you can notify your authors using the acceptance letters, or you can use automated notifications through email setup here, which would then trigger emails as soon as you accept or reject a submission. If you want to send an email only after you have accepted all the submissions, you can then use the acceptance letters or email campaign tool under the engagement tool to send an email campaign to all your rejected authors at once. Abstract book is used to generate the abstract book. ePoster is used to configure your ePosters website. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.